Today we delve into a review of an essential networking component, the VIVO 500ft Bulk Cat5e Ethernet Cable. This Category 5 enhanced Cat-5e cable offers a solid performance for a multitude of networking needs. Constructed with 24 AWG copper Clad Aluminum (CCA), the design achieves a balance between affordability and functionality. The unshielded twisted pair UTP configuration minimizes electromagnetic interference, enhancing signal quality. Packaged conveniently in a pull box, installation becomes straightforward without tangles. The pristine white color ensures neat integration into indoor environments. It excels in bandwidth delivery and consistent speed for typical home and office setups. If you're seeking a cost-effective solution for extensive network installations, this product is definitely worth considering. Overall, the VIVO 500ft Bulk Cat5e cable proves to be a reliable choice for establishing a secure and efficient network.